OPEN stock analysis tomorrow and onward. In this 1 minute video, I'm telling you whether Opendoor Technologies stock is a buy enough for me. So watch this short video till the end. Looking at Opendoor Technologies, after this bigger correction, the only thing that I'm really further looking to do is just still buy. But like, am I going to immediately buy? Not necessarily. It would only really make sense for me to be bullish here. Oh, never. I'm kidding. It's not really a buy. Like, it's been Opendoor Technologies. I don't know why did I say buy. Like, I mean, maybe I got carried out. It's really not a buy. Like, look at my drawings. What am I on? There you go. Right. So I had one confirmation, then second by idea definitely delivered. The idea is that I'm still looking for, like, the likelihood that this continues and delivers to the new lower lows is just through the roof. That's why my bias is still going to be the same and be bearish. But other than that, I mean, I'm not really in a rush. If it does pull up and shows me a double break, then and only then I'm looking to take things down. If not, it's all good, right? It's obviously not financial advice. If you want to make more money trading in a simple, lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.